Assalamualaikum and hi to my respected lecturer, Dr. Shamsul Baharin, and to my fellow listener. Today, I'm going to present the Intercultural Management specifying on applying the nature of culture on the Kuala Lumpur Illustration Fair 2024. There are some of the main objectives that have been highlighted for the assignment. First and foremost, by attending this event, I can develop cultural competence by understanding and respecting cultural differences, enhancing communication, collaboration, and leadership. Next is to gain insights into different cultural values and practices. Lastly, to develop effective communication strategies by recognizing cultural differences in communication styles. The topic that I have chosen from the lesson plan that I want to focus is from Chapter 2, The Meanings and Dimensions of Culture. Next, I would like to share my observation from a recent art event where 4 artists portrayed elements related to Hofstede's and Trompenaars cultural dimension. Firstly, let's explore the work of Joey Wong in her exhibition, The Peculiar. Wong's art is a testament to internal control, where individuals believe they can shape their destiny and express their inner vision. This is evident in her surreal and imaginative themes. Through the lens of Hofstede's cultural dimension, we observe a strong emphasis on individualism versus collectivism. The Peculiar highlights personal interpretation and unique artistic expression, indicating a high degree of individualism where creativity and self-expression are highly valued. Furthermore, Wong's vibrant colors and fantastical themes align with the dimension of indulgence versus restraint, reflecting a culture of indulgence that celebrates life and free expression. The blend of creepy and cute elements in the art portrays a culture that values emotional expression and creativity, challenging traditional norms and inviting viewers to explore their interpretations. Next, we have Toko Paripari from Thailand, an artist pushing the boundaries of art and technology. Her work is particularly interesting as it introduces augmented reality animation to Malaysia. Paripari uses the Artivive app for her art animation. This unique approach involves a barcode at the back of each poster. When recognized by the app, it starts playing a digital layer connecting to the image. Through the camera view, the recognized image is replaced in the real world by the animation or digital layer. This innovative use of technology is known as augmented reality. In terms of cultural dimension, the incorporation of AR technology, which is still relatively new in the art world, indicates a low uncertainty avoidance index. Paripari is willing to take risks and experiment with new mediums, embracing uncertainty and ambiguity. Her use of AR technology suggests a strong individualistic approach, reflecting a focus on personal goals and creativity characteristic of individualistic cultures. Our third artist is Eugene Fu with his exhibition Saya Seekor Dinosaur. As we all know, Malaysia is a collectivist society emphasizing group harmony and loyalty. Fu's exhibition reflects this collectivist orientation by drawing on shared cultural memories and communal experiences. His artworks, which feature iconic food, props, and activities from the 1890s, resonate with the collective memory of Malaysian, fostering a sense of community and shared nostalgia. Lastly, we have Natalie Yong with her Emo Trash and Etc. exhibition. The emo trash subculture can be seen as a reaction against the traditional power structures that are prevalent in high power distance index cultures. By embracing emotional expression and individuality, emo trash culture challenge the notion of centralized authority and instead promotes a more egalitarian approach to power distribution. This subculture's emphasis on self-expression and emotional intensity also reflects a desire for a more participative and collaborative approach to decision-making, which is characteristic of low PDF culture. In conclusion, analyzing artworks through cultural dimension provides a deeper understanding of how cultural backgrounds influence artistic styles and themes. It highlights the importance of cultural competence in appreciating diverse artistic expression and promoting inclusivity. So here are some of the key takeaways from the cultural event that I attended. So firstly, the Peculiar by Joey Wong highlights a high individualism with unique artistic expression and suggests low uncertainty avoidance with unsettling and surreal art. For Paris art, strong individualistic approach with innovative techniques and vibrant, also playful art reflects a culture that values indulgence. For Eugene Fu's Saya Seekor Dinosaur, balances creative freedom and cultural context, reflects Malaysia's collectivist society by drawing on shared cultural memories. Analyzing artworks through cultural dimension provides a deeper understanding on how cultural backgrounds influence artistic styles and themes. It highlights the importance of cultural competence in appreciating diverse artistic expressions and promoting inclusivity. Before I end the presentation, I would like to show a short montage as a recap of my experience that I went to the KLIF 2024 with all of you. Thank you for listening.